Get ready. Start. When I refer to medical education, I refer to modern medical education. At the very outset, I would like to say that perhaps there might be a little confusion in the minds of some members of this house, as there certainly was in the minds of the members of the Lok Sabha, that because this institute is called the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, it should also include sciences other than modern medicine. I have to say that if I had not been given a very large sum of money, £1.25 million by the New Zealand government under the Colombo plan to start an institute of modern medicine, I should probably never have been able to get our government to give me that amount of money to start with. This is not a new scheme. It has been before both houses because money for it has been busted over the last 4 years. There have been some delays in starting it, but there was no question ever of this institute being anything except one for developing sciences which are allied to modern medicine. Now, modern medicine includes ever so many sciences which, with the dynamic progress which this science makes, are increasing in number every day. I go further and say that what modern medicine constitutes today is the sum total of all the knowledge gleaned through all the long years, as far as we can know, and just as I have no doubt that in the old days the Arab world called their science Unani, that is to say, they took it from Greece, and probably ancient Greece and ancient India had contacts too. I have no doubt either that modern medicine in the initial stages took a great deal from Ayurveda, or that science of life as propounded by our ancients. But there is no doubt also that Ayurveda remained static. We should do all in our power now to revive Ayurveda, and through Ayurveda give what it has to give to enrich the broad stream of modern medicine which we have accepted as the basic means of giving relief to our people in this country. We cannot in this one vital science go backward or remain static, or say that we will not progress with the rest of the world. Even when we were discussing the Red Cross Bill, one member said that it was too modern, it was too western. But surely in the world in which we live, we must take everything that is good from every part of the world. We cannot live to ourselves.